What's up? What's going on? You already know what it is. I'm somewhere I ain't never been on the vlog. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see what's going on. We in the gun range for big things. So I'm gonna take y'all over here and let y'all see what's going on in the gun range land. You feel me?
I'm a hammer like Thor. Yeah, wow. Sippers on oil. Yeah, water gon' boil. Yeah, big coupe Megazord. Yeah, plain paddock is aluminum foil. Yeah.
Y'all here with your boy. I came with my friends. Hey, friend.
What's going on? How y'all doing?
Oh, damn. Don't cock the thuka like that, man. Calm down, bro.
I'm ready, man. I'm just getting ready.
Damn, I want no smoke. I don't want no smoke, I tell you that. But, man, let me show y'all my aim. That's what's crazy. Y'all see what's going on. I'm really lethal with this. Y'all see? Look. I might not hit nothing but the white. That's all I'm gonna hit is the white. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna see what's going on. First thing I'm gonna shoot today is the SIG. This is a personal SIG. You see it? I'm gonna let y'all see the design on that thing. I see the design is not loaded. It's not loaded. I want y'all to see the design. Flashlight on the thing. So you can let them see. Blind you in. Can't see nothing, look. I will not miss.
Yeah, text us next time what you want to shoot.
My aim trash right now. Body though. Get a headshot. Headshot. You see it. Empty the clip on him. Let's see what's going on. Alright. I thought I hit a headshot, so I got one headshot. These I definitely hit the body. I hit all the body. One clip. So one clip, 10 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I missed twice. So I emptied the clip, but I missed twice on them. That's something special. Something real special. This little thing right here. Thunderstruck. See that? Barrel pistol that shoots at the same time. It's a revolver too, so yeah. 8 bullets, shoots 2 at a time. Pack that power, don't let that power pack you. You know what I'm talking about?
They're kind of. That's some power right there.
No games. No games.
It's a JP9.
A JP9. Okay. Let's see what this JP talking about with the okay, laser. Okay. Oh, that is light. That is very light. I barely touched it. Okay. Dang, that thing was hot.
See? You did it.
I did it.
That's what I was talking about.
Call of Duty in real life, baby. Let's see how this guy's doing now. He went through intensive training. You supposed to keep your legs straight like that?
Yeah, so that's the modern way of shooting. Old school squared off like that. They switched to this way because it's easier if you need to open both eyes.
I hope you'll close both eyes.
Yeah.
This is my bet for you though. I need you to hit both kidneys. You wanna make a bet? I'm a money bet. $500.
Hey, man, I ain't warm up yet, man.
You don't need to warm up.
Hey, man.
That's a heavy gun too. What kind of gun is this, bro? God damn. It ain't no bullets in there either right now, so you know what I'm saying? We ain't going crazy. All right, man. 2 kidneys. I got 500 on the kidneys, bro. Bets on? 4 shots? You gotta hit both kidneys for 500.
All right.
Well, whoever hits the most kidneys.
I'm just listening to them. I don't know over.
Yeah.
All right, go.
So you're shooting a little bit.
Okay, broke a spine.
Can I still gun and I'll show you something?
Okay, got a lung.
The middle of your finger on there. There's nothing in it. If I finger on
you ain't hit
I
her.
didn't hit it.
that direction.
One more shot.
You're shooting that direction. So let's try to put
Okay. Close. All right. So bet is I gotta hit one of the kidneys in 4 shots. Or if I don't hit none, then nobody wins. So here it is. You don't know, I'm a marksman, baby.
Winner.
Game over. Game over, bro. I'm done. That's crazy. I'm that good? I'm that good, bro? Am I that good? First shot, straight to the kidney. Yo, stop playing with me. That's the fastest $500 I've ever made in my life. That big boy. 416 Bear. Wait till y'all see this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just in case y'all don't understand, let me show y'all a bullet. Hold up. This makes no sense to me. These are real weapons. Weapons of mass destruction.
There you go.
There you go.
Yank that fucker all the way back hard. Pull your chair back more. You want to be behind this thing for sure, like leaning into it. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, get this in the meat of your shoulder. And with your left hand, bring your left hand across and just grab the bottom of this thing. Yeah, you just kind of hold it like so.
Okay.
So let's not shoot it. Let's just grab our sights and just get our sights on target. Can you find the red dot?
Yep.
Okay. So that looks like a good position there. So when you're ready, you can take it off safety with your thumb.
Okay.
Lean into it. Nice, easy squeeze.
Woo! Get my feet right, my stance right. All right.
Nice, easy squeeze.
And lean into it, huh?
Yep. Definitely gets the butterflies going.
Oh yeah, woo! My back's sweating, goddamn. All right, here we go.
Nice and easy. Don't jerk it. There you go. Finger off. There you go. How was it?
It felt amazing, low key. Like it was just loud.
Yeah, it's a lot of
But
pressure.
it wasn't really. It didn't hurt
It's
anything.
a 25-pound gun. It's semi-auto. You're sitting right, leaning into it.
Nah, yeah. If you lean into it, you focus. You good. I'm shooting this again. Yeah. I want one of them to shoot one of these. Woo!
Done with that? Here, I got it.
I felt that bitch in my chest. I ain't even shoot that bitch. I felt it.
What do you think?
Oh! Did you hit the right head though? You did. Good job.
That's
I'm good.
right there.
That rifle wasn't no joke, cuz.
No joke.
How you feel with that rifle, cuz?
My mental was messed up.
Yo, Cash, you look like your just left your body. Like, yo, what the f?
That's literally what happened. I was not expecting that kickback. The whole gun just flew back. So did myself.
Wow.
And so did I.
Got my souvenir. Man. Shout out to Smoking Barrel in Simi Valley, man. Take care of your boy. I'll let y'all later. Make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe. Do all the good stuff. You already know what it is. I'll let y'all later, man. Stay blessed. Keep grinding. You know how it go. Peace.